sure you heard me. I'm her boyfriend.
My boyfriend.
What? You're not her boyfriend.
His name's Shane and he drives, Dad.
What kind of cars are those? They're so scary. There's another one coming up the back. We gotta try to lose him in the cornfield.
Running on fumes, RTB.
They've got us cornered! Watch out!
Mr. Yeager, this is not how I wanted us to meet, okay? I'm Shane, and I'm a completely
And I am not talking to you. Drive the car! Watch out!
Throw up some warning shots.
Man, I don't know how I'm driving this good. It's like today I've gone to a whole other level.
Bro, focus! Stop talking!
Shane, look out.
This may be primarily my fault, okay? They said they were gonna bring a check. I didn't know they were gonna send a death squad. Hang on.
Hey, we got ourselves a winner. Dawn's got it over here. Let's get it.
You lost him.
Good job, stranger from the cornfields.
The scary cars are back.
Lose them at the factory, Shane.
I thought you knew how to drive this thing. Go! I don't think we're gonna get that money. Doesn't seem like it.
Cade!
Take him upstairs.
We're losing them on the 5th floor.
Do that thing, Shane.
You know it.
What do you mean? What thing?
What we're about to do is gonna be kind of scary.
Take out your guns and shoot them.
They're shooting us! Pass it, grab my stick!
What?
She's got the best hands in the business. Ready, Tess?
No! Big Yeah! Tessa, you are so grounded!
Shit, the rim's cracked.
Optimus, come on, move! My foot's stuck! Wait, Kate!
Lucas!
Wait! Lucas, above you! Run!
Get in, let's go.